Let's talk about you, your goals in 2025. The great news is this: 2025 is going to be an awesome year for tech. Now, I know you've been hearing it's a bunch of tech layoffs, ain't nobody hiring. This is true, but it's also a lie. Meaning that a lot of people are getting laid off. A lot of people are getting fired. But a lot of those people are just residue from the big C word that happened a couple years ago. So a lot of companies, they overhired, they got too many people and had to get rid of them. Good news is, if you have the right skills, know the right people, have a good resume, and your LinkedIn looks good, you'll be good in 2025. I just want to give you guys some motivation and to give you a boost for 2025, right? The days of you waiting, the days of you hoping and praying for something to land in your lap, that's over with. But with the right mindset, with the right skill set, and the right certifications, you'll be good. So the first thing I want to tackle and to talk about is the mindset piece. Your mindset is super important. The skills, your network, certifications, none of this stuff matters if you don't have the right mindset. What is the right mindset? Number one, to be in tech, you have to learn how to adapt quickly and love changes, because things change all the time in tech. Secondly, you have to be a forever learner. You got to learn every day, every minute, every hour if you want to not only stay in tech, but if you want to thrive in tech. Last but not least is no excuses. Wherever you are in life, whatever's happening with you, whatever happens to you is 100% your fault. So taking accountability, right? So if you have that type of mindset, if you have those attributes, you'll be able to win, because contrary to popular belief, you're not just going to watch a YouTube video, go apply for a job, and become the CEO of Facebook. It just don't work like that, right? If it did, everybody would do that. But if you are consistent, if you keep grinding and doing what you need to do, things will happen for you. If you've never seen me before, I'm Rob, the founder and the creator of the Certs IT Hero program, a program that helps people just like you get into tech. Speaking about the program and just speaking about random people in general, I've seen people from all walks of life. That's another thing that goes inside that mindset piece, is understanding that you do deserve this. Understanding that you can do this. Understanding that you don't have to be super smart. You don't have to love tech. You don't have to do any of that to actually thrive inside of IT or tech, cloud computing, sales, whatever. That's another thing, right? Don't stop. Don't talk yourself out of something before it even happens, right? So many people think that I don't know how to code, I can't get into tech. I don't know math, I can't get into tech. I don't know how to turn on a computer. You probably can't get into tech. But anyway, all those aren't true. All those aren't true. There's so many lanes in tech. You can go the tech route, network engineer, cybersecurity analyst. You could go more of the management, where you could be a project manager, IT lead. You could go sales. You could go customer facing. You don't have to actually be technical to be in tech. Tech is all around us, right? We can't get away from it. So kind of open your mind and expand your mind. And at the end of the day, as far as I know, unless anybody knows something different, you only get one time to do this whole life thing. So why not, try it out. And if you fail, no big deal. Failure is a part of learning anyway. The next thing we want to talk about is the skills. You don't have to do what is popular. You don't have to do what everybody's talking about. But most likely, what's popular and what everybody's talking about is what's going to increase your chances of getting a job, making some good money, this type of stuff, right? So just understand that part. Another thing is this: the most in-demand stuff right now, anything to do with AI, anything to do with machine learning, anything to do with cybersecurity, anything to do with networking, anything to do with cloud. If you are learning skills in any of those areas, you're going to be good, right? Right mindset, right skill set. Now certifications, depending on what certifications you get is completely up to you and what your path is. If you want to go down cybersecurity path, there's certain certifications you need to get. If you want to go down networking, there's certain certifications you need to get. If you want to do project management, if you want to become a penetration tester, depending on what you want to do, there's certain certifications that's going to align with that path. So you need to start researching. There's hundreds of videos on this channel right here that can kind of tell you exactly where I started, where my students start, where other people start, no matter what your path is, right? Now, if you're the type of person that you don't even know if tech is necessarily for you, if this is something good for you, I have a whole series on this channel called IT for Beginners. After running through that video series, you should be able to tell, okay, this is for me, this should work out, so on and so forth, right? So the right mindset, the right skill set, and the right certifications is what's going to allow you to win in 2025. The presidential election and the administration that is in place right now, they are spearheading a lot of opportunities for tech in general. So kind of put your feelings aside, your political beliefs aside, and go get to the bag and actually get and take advantage of a lot of these opportunities. There's two videos that I want you guys to watch right after this one. Number one is for the people that are beginners, and that's going to be this video right here. This should be popping up. The other video is going to be a video for people that are already in tech and trying to figure out, how do I get more opportunities? How do I make more money? How do I work remotely? So on and so forth. So these videos should be popping up somewhere right around here. Other than that, I'll see you in class.